Union Minister for Education Dharmendra Pradhan did a detailed press conference yesterday regarding the NEET examination as well as the UGC NET exam being cancelled. Now surrounded with a number of controversies regarding both the examination, Dharmendra Pradhan has said that the priority for the Ministry of Education, for the Government of India is the students, and they respect the intellectual ability of each of the students who have appeared for this examination. Now, what are the key points of this press conferences? Dharmendra Pradhan has accepted that there has in fact been a paper leak when it comes to UGC NET. In dark web, the papers of UGC, the question papers were in fact leaked, and I4C, which comes under the Ministry of Home Affairs, had informed the UGC regarding how there has been question paper leak that has happened on 19th of June around 3 p.m. After which UGC informed the Ministry of Education, and by evening the Ministry of Education decided to cancel the UGC NET examination 2024. The new dates of the examination will be out soon. A detailed comprehensive date sheet of the examination will be released by the Ministry of Education in coming days. Meanwhile, the entire matter of the UGC NET paper being leaked on dark web has now been forwarded to the CBI. CBI has in fact taken over the case. They have registered an FIR as well in the matter, and accordingly their investigation has started. Now, what Dharmendra Pradhan has said about the NEET examination, he does accept that there has in fact been paper leak, specifically when we talk about Bihar. He also said that there is a specific region where the paper leak has happened. Not much detail as to who are involved in this matter, who all are being investigated, whether there is involvement of NTA officials or not. All this was not really disclosed by Dharmendra Pradhan, but he said whoever is the culprit, whoever is involved, be it the highest officials of the NTA, if that is the case, then strict action will be taken against the culprits, is the the promise that has been given by the Union Minister. Now remember, the Union Minister has also said that there is a high-level committee that has in fact been constituted at the moment to look into the investigation, also to look into the conduct of the future of these students in terms of examination. What all can be done to improve these examination? For that, a high-level committee has been constituted by the Union Education Minister. Now, the politics over this is something that was highlighted by Dharmendra Pradhan, saying that the students are of course going through a tough time, and there should not be political, politics that should be played by the opposition. Remember, Rahul Gandhi yesterday did a press conference, called out the government over the paper leak, and in fact has been demanding answers from the government, saying that the NEET examination should also be completely cancelled, just like the UGC NET. But Ministry of Education has made it clear that they are not going to do a re-examination of NEET as far as NEET 2024 is concerned. They are going ahead with the counselling session, which is scheduled on 6th of June. 28th June is when the students, around 1,563 students, have been given an option whether they want to give a re-examination of NEET UG or not. Depending on that, further on 6th of July is the counselling session, and then the academic session will begin. Now remember, a series of protests has in fact been planned by the opposition party. Today there is a nationwide protest that is going to be done by the Congress party across the country against the NEET examination, demanding the resignation of the NTA chairperson, and also the CBI should take over the NEET examination matter as well, is the demand with which the Congress party is hitting the streets.